Hello and welcome to this short video in which I'm going to tell you about the Capital Investment Club. Now this is a unique and very different type of investment club that I'm thinking of putting together for the readers of Stocks and Options magazine. So let's have a look at some of the things that are different about the Capital Investment Club. We're going to be building something that's very, very different here. Something that I'm absolutely sure you won't come across previously. Although I exaggerate just a little bit, most investment clubs that I know are something like this. Old guys in the pub over a few pints making some investment decisions. Normally those investment decisions are based on what they've read in the newspapers and what they've seen on TV. There's no professionalism, there's no expertise, and there's no research. And normally they don't do that well. And I'm sure we can absolutely do better than that. So the Capital Investment Club, first of all, is for absolutely everybody. I don't care from what walk of life you're from. I don't care how much money you've got or haven't got. What I want are people who are interested in investing and in learning how to invest and also in sharing knowledge. So here are some of my ideas about the Capital Investment Club. First of all, it will have access to some of the best research available. And by sharing the cost of that amongst many people, we can reduce the cost to a very, very small proportion of our investment pot. Secondly, I want this club to consist of people who have all been trained and are knowledgeable, and who can therefore contribute to the trading decisions. I don't want the club to be expensive to belong to. I want it to be within reach of most people. And I got a unique way of doing that, which we'll come to eventually. I want the club to be flexible. Quite often you find when an investment club sets up, it goes along and it makes some money, and then it becomes difficult for new members to buy into. Well, again, we're going to get round that. We'll be able to take new members whenever we wish, and it won't be at an ever-increasing cost. And next, I would like to see the club being easy to join and easy to leave. We'll revalue the portfolio at the end of every month so we can take on new members, and if people want to leave, they can. I want the club to be very safe, very trusted, and also to be absolutely democratic in its decision making about trading matters. And I would like teaching to be at the heart of the club. I'd like everybody to come out of membership of this club knowing how to invest independently. So let's have a look at some of these in a little more detail. We intend to run the Capital Investment Club using research and tools that allows value investing and options trading, along with the very best investors that are in the world or that have ever been in the world. Every member will be trained, and over time they'll all reach the same high standard of knowledge and ability and skill within the investing arena. Now here comes a major difference. I want the club to operate like a unit trust, or I think in the States you call it a trust fund, so that people will own a number of units, and therefore they can actually buy at the end of each month, we revalue it, and they can buy a number of new units with the money that they've made in that month. Similarly, people can come in and start by buying a low number of units if that makes it affordable for them. This unitized version of an investment club means that it's easy to change your monthly investment, to take holidays, so take some time out if things are a stretch for a while, or to put in a lump sum to take some profit out. Being unitized allows all of this and more. We want to operate the club with a really great investment plan, using the principles of the great investors such as Warren Buffett, and the research of some of the world's best providers. We can build a plan to target 4% per month as our gain, and that's a 4% compounding monthly gain. At the end of each trading month, we'll value the units, and that will allow people to come, to join us, to take money out, to leave. It's extremely flexible. I want the club to be safe and democratic, with a separate, visible bank account, elected officers, and a very democratic constitution and set of rules. It'll be very democratic indeed. with forums and webinars, live and recorded. Every decision we take we'll be able to go back over, and even if you're not around, you'll be able to see the thinking and the decision-making process that took place. We want to be in touch with all of the members to make our investment decisions together. But how can you be sure of any of this? Well, get in touch, ask me questions, let's make the decisions about how this is going to work together, and also let's put into this the things that you want to ensure that you feel safe and secure in putting in your investment. So there's a seat at the table in this investment club for you if you want to take it up. So why don't you contact me, Jeff Fitzpatrick. There's my email address, jeff@digitalpublishingservice.co.uk, and I'll tell you everything on an up-to-date basis about the Capital Investment Club, and you can ask any questions. So thanks for listening to this video.